Hi everybody, welcome to another Live with Chaudhry here at CPHI Worldwide Milano. It's day 2 and I'm at the Quotient Sciences booth, and I'm delighted to be joined by Paul Quigley and Asma Patel, who are going to tell me more about the services Quotient Sciences offer and what they're talking to visitors about here at the show. So Paul, Asma, lovely to meet you both.
Hi, how are you doing?
Hi, how are you doing?
It's lovely to see you both. So before we start, would you mind just giving me a quick overview of what your roles are at Quotient Science?
Sure. So my role is I head up the drug substance manufacturing team at the Quotient Annex site. I'm also involved at the Annex site with the radiosynthesis team and the drug substance process research and development.
Brilliant. And Asma?
My role is I'm Vice President of Integrated Development Services, so I support business development in scoping out and designing the pharmaceutical and sciences aspects of programs, formulation development, clinical manufacture, through to scale up commercial.
Brilliant. Now, for those people not familiar with Quotient Sciences, would you mind giving an overview of what the business actually does?
Sure. So Quotient Science is a fully integrated service provider. Really what we're doing is we work with clients from preclinical at the very early stage of drug substance and candidate molecule selection, all the way through, including to the clinic and clinic service. So that includes drug substance development, scale to manufacture, solid state formulation development, taking it through to drug product manufacture, involving all the drugability and drug development aspects, and all the way through to clinic and hopefully to ultimately commercial manufacture.
Right. And Asma, in terms of your area?
So my area is really focused on the drug product, so all the way from formulation development we support from preclinical through the different phases of the clinical studies, for phase 2, 3, phase 1, through to D&V, scale up and commercial manufacture, supporting patient trials across the world.
Wow, that's a lot to remember as well. So, I know this is day 2 of the show, so how was day 1 of CPHI?
It's been fantastic. We are delighted to be back with CPHI again. We think the Quotient Sciences bring a real offering here. We see so many service providers. It's been wonderful for us. So we are really engaged with our client base. Very busy. We're seeing a lot of traffic coming in. Interestingly, we're seeing new traffic coming in as well as pre-arranged meetings.
Well, I'm delighted to hear you say that. Sorry, Asma, have you got anything to add?
It's been great to actually meet some of our customers face to face after a very long time, and also meet new customers, talk to them about their molecule needs, how we can support from preclinical pediatric services, modified release as well, and how we can potentially integrate the drug substance, the drug product and clinical testing as well.
Brilliant. Now, obviously CPHI is one of the first big live shows since the pandemic came into force. So how has the pandemic impacted you as a business over the last 18 months or so?
Well, we've certainly managed through the pandemic effectively. We structured our operations so we could work all the way through. And interesting, where some of our clients, their internal capacity went down, we were able to pick up the slack and work with them and be the secure provider of services. So I reflect on in the UK our radiosynthesis, drug substance and drug product services. All of those were services that we were able to kept going all the way through. And on the back of that, if anything, we've actually had enhanced trust with our clients and really developed upon that coming out of COVID.
Brilliant.
Yeah, very similar vein. We have been busier than ever, more customers, more molecules that we see. We've continued throughout the pandemic having safe measures in place for both the people, our employees, as well as any healthy volunteers that we dose on site as well. So continued dosing throughout the pandemic and developing medicines as well.
Brilliant. Now, obviously, as you said, you've had a really great day yesterday at CPHI. So what have you specifically been talking to customers about here at the show?
Yeah, from my perspective, we've been really talking about the fully integrated service offering. So we're really focused on the new elements where the drug substance to drug product differentiators happen. So we're really working with our clients to talk about the drugability aspects. How easy is it to solubilize the drug? How easy is it going to be to make it into a druggable product? So that is part of the service offering, and that loops back to the drug substance development. We're going to help them succeed and come up with optimal solutions, and we're going to work back to making sure they've got the optimal drug substance going into making that optimal drug product form.
Brilliant.
From a drug product perspective, it's been mostly solubilization and how we can support our customers from a spray drying, hot melt extrusion perspective. A lot of good conversations around modified release technologies and how we can integrate the drug product and the clinical testing within our translational pharmaceutics service there as well. And a lot of interest in our pediatric expertise and services as well. So some great conversations.
Brilliant. Well, I'm glad to hear the show's going so well. So there you go, viewers. If you'd like to know more about what Quotient Sciences are doing, come and chat to Paul and Asma and the rest of the team at Quotient Sciences here in Hall 4, F111. I had to think about that. Or you can go to the website if you can't make it to the booth, which is quotientsciences.com, and you can check out them on the LinkedIn page. They're very active on LinkedIn as well. So all that stuff says, Paul, Asma, enjoy the rest of the show. It's lovely to meet you both.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And thank you, viewers, for watching. And until next time, as always, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.